Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to convert PDF into book format, step by step, to make your document more interactive and visually appealing. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open your web browser and go to a PDF to book format conversion website such as Heyzine.com. Once the site loads, look for the upload option and click on it. Then browse your PC and select the PDF file you want to convert. This step is important because it uploads your document to the tool. Step 2. Wait for the PDF file to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, the website will automatically start processing it. During this stage, you can add a title, subtitle, or choose page flip effects, which help give your PDF a real book-like feel. Step 3. After processing, click on the Customize option. Here you can adjust the layout, design, background, and other visual elements. This step allows you to personalize the book format according to your preference. Step 4. Once you are satisfied with the customization, click on the Share option and then go to Download. Now click Download to save your PDF in book format to your device, making it ready to read or share. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tutorials.